Good morning, children. Today we will discuss chapter number 13, Matter. Let's discuss what is matter. Anything made of matter occupies a space and has weight. Matter has three states: solid, liquid, and gaseous. Matter is made of tiny particles called atoms. For example, pencil lid is made up of carbon atoms. Atoms attract or pull each other. When two or more atoms join together, they form a molecule. Molecules can be formed by the same kind of atoms or by different kind of atoms. Substances that are formed by only one kind of atoms are called elements. For example, iron, copper, tin. Elements are of two types: metals and non-metals. Substances made up of molecules containing different kind of atoms are called compounds. For example, carbon dioxide and water. A molecule of water contains one atom of oxygen and two atoms of hydrogen, whereas a molecule of carbon dioxide is made up of one atom of carbon and two atoms of oxygen. Now we will discuss how matter changes. Sometimes one kind of matter changes into another kind of matter through a process called a chemical reaction, and such a change is called a chemical change. For example, burning of a coal. When coal is burned, atoms of carbon react with atoms of oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Now, during the process of photosynthesis, carbon dioxide and water react to form glucose and oxygen. Respiration is another example of a chemical change. During respiration, food combines with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water vapor. When an electric current passes through water, it breaks up water molecule into hydrogen and oxygen atoms. Children, remember, new or different substances are formed in a chemical change. Now we will discuss change of a state. Matter can change from one state to another when it is heated or cooled. New substances are not formed when matter changes its state. For example, freezing and melting are not a chemical change. Now let's discuss the states of matter. Solids have a definite shape and a definite volume. The molecules or atoms are tightly packed in solids. Liquids have a definite volume but not a definite shape. Molecules or atoms are packed more loosely than in solids. Gas has no definite shape and no definite volume. Its atoms and molecules are spread apart. Gases can be compressed. Solutions. When two substances mixed so well that we cannot see them separately, they form a solution. For example, when salt is added to a glass of water and is stirred properly, the salt gets dissolved in water completely and formed a salt solution. So children, this is all about this lesson. Thank you.